Welcome, I am Rowland Barkley at rowlandbarkley.com. If you have come here correctly, you have come to the place where those that have been using huge amounts of energy, such as master musicians, scientists making breakthroughs, any such people that use a lot of energy in their work, normally wake up huge forces, positive and negative, often which they feel almost destroying either their work or their health. You have come to the place where this definitively will be solved.
Can you tell us a bit of how are they solved? What is the process? Is it a workshop I do? Is it a private section? What will be the path for me to solve this breakthrough?
For the definitive breakthrough, I do private sessions, workshop training, such as if an entire orchestra wants to make a breakthrough, I can do this. The purpose of this particular site in general is for whoever wants to make extreme breakthroughs.
So what would be appropriate is to do a private section to get the breakthrough I want.
Yes, come and do 1 to 3 private sessions for a major breakthrough.
Great. What sort of breakthroughs people have during the process of this section?
There are creative breakthroughs where people have been working on a project perhaps for years and they know that they can extend beyond their limits and they didn't quite get there. Normally, such breakthroughs are problematic because the person does not have full and complete converse, dialogue, cooperation between each of their minds. Such information is not available in any books anywhere until I complete writing those books. However, you have come to the place where you can learn to have all of your minds cooperate. And society has, the consensus reality has built-in obstacles. The human body appears programmed to have built-in obstacles to breaking through. That's why we have so few geniuses. It's not because there are so few geniuses, but there are so few that can risk the torture of the energy they wake up, both in themselves and in the environment, that resists their creative drive.
And so, to can deal with all this energy, the right place would be here in a section with you.
Right place would be here in a session with me, or maybe 3 sessions. It depends how huge is the breakthrough. Normally, 1 session is to break through. The second is to deal with pieces which are left over, smaller pieces, and the third normally is to implement and create a future in which you are certain that you will succeed out in the world with your breakthrough.